Hi. All right, let me pull you up over here so in case anybody comments. I just hopped out of the shower and fixed lunch and cleaned up the kitchen, and I wanted to pop on and show you guys my Scentsy Club. My Scentsy Club posted, it shipped, and what I personally get in my Scentsy Club every month. Okay, pulled up. All right. What I personally get in my Scentsy Club every single month is a Whiffbox and cotton cleanups. And then every 3 months, I have a shipment of bars that like Tyler likes and that I like, that was in a brick and things like that. So yesterday, my box came. So in it's my cotton cleanups that you guys happen to get sometimes as samples. And then it's big. I feel like this box is way bigger than they have been in the past, and I have not opened it yet. So remember, the Scentsy Whiffbox is $30 plus tax and shipping. It can be purchased at one time on the website unless it sells out before then, or you can add it to your club. And if your club is over $60 before tax and shipping, you can get a Whiffbox half price. With Scentsy Club, $60 and higher, you get 10% off all your products, and you get one half price item. So super killer to be able to get this, because I can't even get this half off. The only way that I can get this half off is through my club. You can't get it half off through a party or anything like that. The only way to get it half price is through a club, as long as you have a $60 order. So let's dive in. It does feel bigger. Now, if you get my monthly box, some of you got it in the Whiffbox this month because I'm recycling. And these are great box. They're easy to ship, things like that. So I used this box for a lot of the ones that ship out. So that's why it might look different. So in it, we've got, you always get a paper of some kind. And this is all about like the new catalog. I think there's a new catalog in it. And it's got life runs on lists, shopping lists, to-do lists, wish lists, like what you might want from Scentsy's new catalog to help you stay organized. Cut out these fun starters and bookmarks and insert them into your planner, calendar, or catalog to flag important things. Pro tip, leave your wish list where others can see it. It's not so subtle way of telling them what you want. And then it's got all these different little wish lists. It's got birthdays and anniversaries. Don't forget, I'm grateful for the home, gifts for others, stock up on, and for me. So there's always some sort of little fun thing in the catalog. So this is what it looks like in the summer. All of your wax and stuff is in there because it doesn't want to melt. So we got a full size cozy cardigan Scentsy soak. These are great. I love these. Casey loves these too, since she's been running a lot more, like every day. She puts them in the bath with her for her sore muscles. So super awesome. We have samples of lemon verbena dish soap. They're upside down, but there they are. Around the Campfire Scent Circle. I love this one. Oh, I love this set. It's very strange and different, and it's not like anything we've ever had, and I love it. Full catalog. And let's see. What is in here? Ice pack, of course. And we got 4 bars this month. 3 brand new scents. Trying to clear my lap off. Almond croissant. This one, I feel every household needs this one. Oh, I love this one. Almond croissant. Breakfast in bed. That is another good one. This one went, how much is the lemon soap? For dish soap? Is that what we have for dish soap? I'm pretty sure we have 2 lemon scents. Dish soap, we have Squeeze the Day and Johnny Appleseed. Both of them are 11, and dish soap is $10 a bottle, plus tax and shipping. And Squeeze the Day legit smells like a lemon shake-up. It smells so good you want to drink it. It sounds terrible because you don't want to drink dish soap, but it's so amazing. It legit smells just like a lemon shake-up. It's the best lemon scent there is. Think like lemon heads. If you can liquefy lemon heads, that's what it smells like. Breakfast in Bed, so good. This is another good one. It's a mix of plum and pastry, and it's really good. It smells like a Danish to me. So we got a bar of Breakfast in Bed, aloe vera and ivy, which is our scent of the month, and then we got a bar of apples and oats, which is like a mix of apple and cinnamon and a little bit of like oats and honey. Like if you had the bar oats and honey, which a lot of you really liked, if you had the bar oats and honey, take that and mix it with an apple scent. That's what it is. So I think these are some of the best. I'm so happy because these three are part of my top favorites, along with Around the Campfire. Those are my tops for the new catalog, new scents. So that's what we got in our Whiffbox this month. If you need it, let me know. Again, we can order it at a one-time only, and we can also throw it on a club. Lots of different ways that you can grab that. But I just wanted to show you guys what's in it this month, because some people do not like surprises. Some people do. So everybody have a good rest of your day. I've got to go finish cleaning. And then I'm going out for the evening. So I will talk to you guys later.